All right. Can we run Google Ads on brand new account? Yeah, of course you can. That's what you created the account for. So if you are new to Google Ads, yeah, set up your account and get started. Well, data or better performance will come with time. You can't just go from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds with Google Ads. It will take time to optimize it. You will need to spend some cash, test the campaigns, and then you start to get really good performance. So don't be, you need to manage your expectation or your client expectations that it will start working from day one. It may well do if you got a great product or something different, but I would recommend that you take your time with this.